Hello, this is a 1 mark question. This was question number 26 of online set 2 Ask and Get 2014 EC. In the circuit shown below, if C is equal to 0, the expression for Y we have to find out. First we will identify the type of the gate. Clearly gate 1 is NOT gate, gate 2 is NOR gate, gate 3 is OR gate, gate 4 is AND gate, gate 5 is OR gate, and gate 6 is NOT gate. As we know that output of NOT gate is, if input is A of a NOT gate, then output is A bar. So as it is a NOT gate, so if its input is C, it is given the output will be C bar. Now we are given that C is equal to 0, so C bar will be 1. Now the output of gate 2, as it is OR gate, if the input of an OR gate are A and B, then the output is A or B. And the input of AND gate is A and B, then output is A and B. And the input of NAND gate are A and B, then NAND gate output will be A and B whole bar. So the output of gate 1 will be A or B. As it is C, the output of gate C will be A, it will be A or B. Output of gate 2, as it is NOR gate, it will be A or B whole bar. And it is a OR gate, so its output will be A or B whole bar or 0. So output of gate 3 will be, it will be A or B whole bar. And the output of gate 4 will be A and B. So the output of gate 5 will be, let it be G1 and it is G5 and it be G1. So the output of gate 5 will be, G5 will be A or B whole bar or AB. As C is 0, C bar is 1. So the output of gate 6 by will be G5 G1 whole bar. So now G5 is A or B whole bar or AB. G1 is 1 whole bar. And this function, it will be A or B whole bar or AB whole bar. Now we will apply De Morgan theorem here. De Morgan theorem is A or B का whole bar is equal to A bar B bar. On applying, this is equation 1. On applying this, it will be A or B whole bar ended with AB का whole bar. Now we know that any function, this will be x. So on applying this, it will be A or B ended with, and applying, we will apply De Morgan theorem here. AB का whole bar is equal to A bar or B bar. So it will be A bar or B bar. On solving this, it will be A bar or B A bar or AB bar or BB bar. Now we know that A into A bar, any function ended with its complement is 0, and B and B bar is equal to 0. So it will be A B bar or B A bar. So answer A is correct. Thank you.